soul, welcome back to my channel. This is Nancy and thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for lots of like and comment. It really means a lot to me. So let's see today, where is our Gemini? How is they feeling? What is going to happen in their life and what's something new we need to know? Okay, so I will just pick up. And what do they need to do for the September month? Isn't it nice to know where is our Gemini, what are they thinking, and what is it that they need to do in the September month? Okay, so our Gemini are thinking of a lot of things in this September month. They are making plans, they are making big plans, they are making big decisions. This can be in any field, okay, or maybe in their personal growth, or maybe we just see maybe in a relationship, maybe the relationship of their own self. Okay, so let's see what is. Okay, yes, they're building up the strength, they're taking that courage, they're taking that strength, they are ready to make a strong decision. Yes, wheel of fortune. So whatever things have been stuck, they are not able to come out of any kind of a, a cot, a bond, something which was draining them. They are feeling completely free because the wheel of fortune is turned. Whatever they were feeling in August ending, mid ending August, it's completely going to take a complete change in the September. Okay, Gemini, watch for it. Something new is happening, something beautiful is happening, and whatever you're wishing for, wanting, you will be seeing the change very soon. And yes, you've been carrying a lot of burdens inside in you, you've been holding a lot of things inside, but which you will be understanding what you really need to cling on, or what you really need, which is very important, and other rest of the things you will be letting it go. Okay, because you know very well you cannot have everything what you need. And yes, you have the guidance, you have this calling of things are going to shift, and it's really going to be, the September is really going to help you out so much. All your paths are going to be cleared, financially, materialistic, whatever your thinking is, whatever the inner strength you wanted in, you were thinking things were just caught up, was very stuck, you're going to make out a way. You yourself are going to come and make a way out for yourself. Okay, you get me? As well as whatever you wish for, whatever you're thinking, you're having these bigger visions, you're going to go through, you're going to make that happen. Okay, you're going to at least take a first step, I can say. I'm not going to say everything you will be. If you want to want to be a billionaire, you just want it and you will say I will take a lottery. No, no, it is that you are going to make your first move to your achievement, okay, to your growth, to your inner self. Okay, so all your paths are clear, you don't need to worry about it. You were feeling a lot of stuck in the ending of August, so this September is going to really be in your favor. Have a great day, love you, and please do take care of yourself. Bye bye. Hello, my beautiful Aquarius. Welcome back to my channel. This is Nancy, and thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for lots of like and comment. It really means a lot. So, Aquarius, what are we going to see today? We are going to see what is the outcome of September. What is September having in hand for you? Okay, so let's see what is going to happen. What is it that you need to know? What is it that you need to change? You need to understand. Yes, there is some kind of a communication, there is some kind of gathering, there is some kind of communication. You will be, yes, you will be receiving some kind of a reward, some kind of money, some kind of understand. There is some money issue, there is not issue, but yes, there is some money involved. You're going to have a community, you're going to have a talk. Yes, there is some expense also you'll be receiving, you'll be having a little expense in this September, so just be aware of what are you spending your money on. Okay, and yes, you are being having a lot of responsibilities, that's what I'm seeing, but you are taking step by step, you are dealing in a very proper way. But yes, you have this guidance, money is flowing to you in this September, money is coming to you. Okay, so do not worry. Yes, there will be some kind of meeting, you will be meeting many people, you will be understanding what is that, what you're doing right now, if it is a job or something. Yes, you're meeting a lot of people. Yes, You are going to be standing, talking your truth, whatever it is. If you're in sales, if you're in marketing, if you're doing some work, some business where you need to talk, you're going to stand in your complete power. You're going to talk out to whatever you want, okay? And yes, you are going to be with your colleagues, with your family members. What's You're going to just take a stand, okay? So don't be afraid of this September. What else do we have? Yes, September is going to get you this beautiful new beginning where there is blessings for you, okay? And that's very beautiful. So you have a very beautiful energy over here, Aquarius. I can see that everything is falling according to your wish. And yes, whatever you want in materialistic and finance, you are going to achieve that in this September, okay? So please do not worry, Aquarius. You are doing very well and very beautiful, okay? For this September, have a great day, and please do take care of yourself. Bye bye. Hello, my beautiful Libra. Welcome back to my channel. This is Nancy, and thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for lots of like and comment. It really means a lot to me. So Libra, let's see what is your September month leading you. What is happening? What's going on? It's a collective reading, so do take whatever resonates, and you can leave the rest, okay? So let's see what's happening with you. So let's see what is it that you need to know. And yes, all your paths are being opening, whatever it is, all what you wish for, all what you desire. Yes, all the paths are opening. So if you're wishing to go and invest something, or do some job, or travel, or have a relationship, you want something which was not happening, everything is just opening up. The way is opening up for you to decide to take a decision to go ahead. And yes, you always wanted to reach in a certain level, certain height, certain job, certain interview, certain things you always wish for, that you can see fulfilling, wishing, okay, coming through this September, okay? You will be seeing a lot of, yes, there is some kind of a communication movement. You're thinking of traveling. Yes, you can travel this September. If you are thinking of, yes, there is some kind of a emotional things which is held up inside in you, but you're keeping your emotions at the side, and you're working what you really need to work on right now, okay? You're not thinking of, okay, how will I do things, or what should I do. You are leaving those what, how, when, everything in the side, and you're working ahead, okay? And that's a really beautiful sign for this September. You are taking a very wise decision. That's the reason when you take this decision, you are seeing yourself in this higher place. And yes, you are in your complete power. You know what you need to do. You are standing for it. You are ready to take this, okay? And yes, you are very intuitive. And Wheel of Fortune, whatever you wish for, that's what I told you. Whatever you wish for, it's coming through. And yes, you have a little responsibilities, but as I told you, you are keeping those some things which is really bothering you in the side. I don't know what is it. Maybe it's your personal something, you're keeping your emotions side. You're keeping your emotions side, okay? And you're working to the things which you really need to do at this current situation. Maybe it's for your family, maybe it's for your own something, maybe it's your own personal growth, something which you're working on, but you're not thinking how, when, why. That's the best thing. What you're going to do in this September is you're not thinking how. And your intuition is guiding you to take this move, to take this path. And because of your intuition guiding you, everything is being cleared. Everything is being cleared. If in case you're thinking of studies, if in case you're thinking of education, if you're thinking of learning something new, yes, you're thinking of having your certificates, you're thinking of learning some new thing. Let me jump and take a new job. Let me learn something new which will help me. So you're working on that, okay, Libra? So that's a very beautiful energy. Have a beautiful day. God bless you, and do take care of yourself. Bye bye.